Hey everyone, welcome back to the Mindhunters. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects millions of women worldwide, menopause. If you're in your 40s or 50s or just curious about what happens during this stage of life, this video is for you. We'll break down what menopause is, the stages, common symptoms, and the best ways to manage it. We will also debunk some common myths about menopause. So, grab a cup of tea, get comfortable, and let's get started. First things first. What exactly is menopause? Menopause is a natural biological process that marks the end of a woman's menstrual cycles. It's diagnosed after you've gone 12 months without a period, and usually happens between ages 45 and 55. The average age in the US is 51. But did you know that menopause isn't just a sudden event? It actually happens in stages and brings a series of physical and emotional changes that can significantly impact daily life. Now let's discuss the stages of menopause. There are 3 key stages. The first stage is perimenopause. This can start in your mid-40s, sometimes even late 30s. Your ovaries begin producing less estrogen, and your periods may become irregular. You might start experiencing hot flashes, night sweats, and mood swings. This stage lasts anywhere from 4 to 10 years and can feel like a roller coaster ride. The second stage is menopause. This is when your periods completely stop for 12 months. Estrogen levels drop significantly, leading to more intense symptoms like hot flashes, mood changes, sleep disturbances, and decreased bone density. It can be a challenging time, but understanding what's happening to your body can make it easier to navigate. The last stage is postmenopause. During this stage, symptoms may improve, but the long-term effects of low estrogen become more pronounced, such as an increased risk of osteoporosis and heart disease. This is why a proactive approach to health during menopause is so important. It is important to understand that menopause symptoms can vary widely from woman to woman. Here are the most common symptoms: vaginal dryness and low libido. Due to decreased estrogen, intimacy can become uncomfortable, but there are solutions available. Hot flashes and night sweats, sudden warmth, often in the face and chest, leading to discomfort and even sweating. Irregular periods, skipping cycles before they stop completely, making it unpredictable. Mood swings and anxiety. Changes in hormones can significantly affect mental health, leading to feelings of stress, irritability, or even depression. Sleep problems, insomnia, or frequent night waking can lead to fatigue and irritability. Weight gain and slowed metabolism. Many women notice increased belly fat and difficulty losing weight due to hormonal shifts. Memory issues and brain fog, trouble focusing, forgetfulness, and mental fatigue can be frustrating. These changes can feel overwhelming, but there are ways to manage them effectively. Menopause is a natural part of aging, but certain factors can cause it to happen earlier, such as genetics. If your mom or grandmother had early menopause, you might experience it earlier too. Smoking studies show that smoking can bring menopause 1 to 2 years earlier than expected, making symptoms more severe. Surgeries like a hysterectomy or chemotherapy can also trigger early menopause. Autoimmune diseases like rheumatoid arthritis or thyroid disorders can contribute to early ovarian failure, leading to menopause before the expected age. Now let's talk about solutions. While menopause is inevitable, there are many ways to make it more manageable. Here are some of the best ways to deal with symptoms. Hormone Replacement Therapy, HRT, one of the most effective treatments for severe symptoms. It helps balance estrogen levels, but it isn't suitable for everyone, especially those with certain medical conditions. Non-hormonal medications like antidepressants and gabapentin have been found to help with hot flashes and mood swings. Diet and nutrition play a crucial role during menopause. A balanced diet rich in calcium, vitamin D, healthy fats, and fiber can help support bone and heart health. Exercise, physical activity, and yoga can prevent weight gain, improve mood, and strengthen bones. Herbal options like black cohosh, soy isoflavones, and flaxseed have shown promise in alleviating symptoms. Always consult a healthcare provider before starting any treatment. Before we wrap up, let's bust some common menopause myths. Myth: menopause means the end of intimacy. Fact: with the right care, treatments, and communication, you can maintain a satisfying sex life well into postmenopause. Myth: menopause happens overnight. Fact: it's a gradual process that can take years, starting with perimenopause and transitioning into postmenopause. Myth: hormonal replacement therapy is always dangerous. Fact: when used correctly under a doctor's supervision, HRT can be a safe and effective way to manage symptoms. And that's a wrap on menopause. What it is, its stages, symptoms, and the best ways to manage it. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more health content. Let me know in the comments, what's your biggest concern about menopause? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.